I'm sure that you see all these AI ads everywhere on Instagram. So in this video, this is basically what I will be showing you how to create. So first, I will be showing you how to create the image. Then we will transform the image to a video. And then after we transform the image to a video, we will be adding the voiceover and continue the step required. So first, I will go to this website to generate the image. The name of the website is galaxy.ai, and when you come to galaxy.ai, it will look like this, and then you will choose all tools right here, all tools, and then you will see a lot of options. We need AI image generator. So for this option, I will be paste this prompt right here, and everything will be included in my school community. If you want to get all those access to all this information, all this prompt that I use, and the link of all the website, they are on my community, school community. So I will be using, keep in mind this is not free. You have to pay I think it's $10 per month, and that's it. So first I will be generate the image, and for the model I'm using Gemini 2.5 Flash. I think in my opinion it is the best when it comes to image like this one. So I did cancel the last request, and I think for this for the first image that we will be using, it should be Midjourney. So Google Flash is more for editing, and if you want the first image or the first prototype, it's better to use Midjourney. So I will paste the prompt right here again, and then choose the image 3x4, and next, as you will see, I think it will be generate 5 image, 1 2 3 4 5. I'm just going to click on generate image. Oh, there's an option that you can make the prompt better by clicking here, so it will add more details and a more understandable way for Midjourney to create the image. So here's what was my prompt, and then here's the new one. I will using the word cheek Instagram everything. This is funny. I will use that one, and then next I will go on generate image, and now I will wait for the image to generate. As you could see, I do not like the one that he create. I want her to show me the back of the book, and that way so people can see the back of the product. Edit image, and I want to see, please make her show me the back of the book, and holding the book with 2 hands while show me the front of the book. And then when I'm done, I will click on generate edit. Hopefully this time you get it right. Okay, it did not do exactly what I want her to do, so I'm going to go on Google and type in books review, so this way it will be easier for me to find someone that is showing the back of the book. I think I'm going to YouTube might be my best guess, and let me get an influencer, and this one would be good, but I don't see any face. I'm trying to find, yes, I need something like this. Let me open this one. Yes, there we go, and yeah, that one too. Okay, now I think I found, there you go, this is another one. Okay, I think I'm gonna choose that one. So I will copy this, and then I'm going to Canva. I'm going to Canva right now, and I will choose the Instagram size, and I will Control V, and then I will remove the background from this image. First, let me make sure it fits this correctly. This is all the size I need. I just need something like this, and then remove the background, and then upscale this image. Click replace. There we go. Now I'm going to download this, and as PNG, transparent background, download. So now I don't have to go back to Galaxy AI. Now I'm going straight to Gemini. So I'm going to upload my image and my logo, upload file, and now I'm going to upload my logo. So this right here is my brand logo, so I will be replace my logo on the back of the book and change this to a woman. So this is exactly what the prompt will be. I want you to change the back of this book, the guy holding, to my logo with the same color on my logo background as the color of the book and my logo on it, and change the man to a woman holding the book with my logo as the back of the book. As you can see, here is my prompt. I think I should put font. This is the font. I think this is the font of the book. So now I will let Gemini do his thing. I will wait a couple seconds for Gemini to give me the new image. There you go. Here's the outcome, and I like everything, but I want this to look more like a book than a business card. Right now it looks like a business card. I want it to look like a book. The edges should be showing more like a book. So I literally tell them everything. I like everything, but I want this to look more like a book than a business card. Right now it looks like a business card, and I want it to look like a book, like an actual book. Big book. So yes, let me go right now to check if it changed anything. There we go. I think this is better, and let me see the difference. Yeah, I want you to make the back of the book look better, add some more design accompanying the logo, and make sure all the edges, the top edges, the bottom edges, and both side edges of the book look exactly like a book. Let's see right now if we change, make it look better. There we go. There we go. I think right now it look way better. Yes, this one look way better. So now I will ask Gemini to make her open the book, acting like she reading. Now make her open the book and looking like she's reading the book. See? There we go. So that's perfect. Now I need one more, and the next one will be her. Make her stand inside a library as he holding the book with two hands and showing the book to someone. So let's see how this one turned out. Okay, now we got 3 images, so I will download all of them. 1, 2, and the next one right here, 3. Okay, now we will animate the image, and I will ask Gemini to give me a short promo. Give me a quick short 15-second advertisement. Make sure it's catchy so I can promote my book. Oh, here it is right here. So I will copy this. I will go to 11 lab. So I will choose a woman.
Happiness resides.
Hello, everyone. Oh, brilliant! Wrinkles should merely. I'm Amelia. Always be a first. Her cat Whiskers had a secret. He was the guardian of.
I love the way you look at me, like you already know your mind to claim.
Are you sitting comfortably? Hello, I'm Elizabeth, a warm and friendly studio.
Hello, I'm Felicity.
The beginning of knowledge.
Well, now, aren't you lucky?
I'm Francesca Segreto.
Esta é la voz Beaucoup de neúde. Le véritable voyage de découverte.
Se você acha que pode ou acha que não pode, está certo.
Le véritable voyage de découverte.
Pokud neuděláš nic, nic se nestane.
Le véritable.
Se você acha
que použít ještě lepší. No se a organ.
I think I'm going to use that one. So I'm going to paste this script right here and then click generate.
Looking for financial freedom? Unlock your potential with AI Income Academy, the ultimate guide to making money with artificial intelligence. Learn proven strategy, master the tool, and start building your own.
Okay, now I had the audio, and I will go on Audacity. I will make sure the voice is speed up and clean. Remove all the silence on Audacity real quick, and I will just drag the audio. Oopsie, I didn't download it, so let me download it real quick and drop it to Audacity. Is free. It's a free software, voiceover software. So I'm going to drag it right here real quick and add some plugin to make it sound better. There you go, and remove those silence. So I will go to Effects, Special, Truncate Silence, and then click Apply, and then let me check right now.
Looking for financial freedom? Unlock your potential with AI Income Academy, the ultimate guide to making money with artificial intelligence. Learn proven strategies.
So I think it's way better now. File, export audio, and export. Replace the old one, and then I can close Audacity now and close 11 Lab. So now I'm going to create the video. To create the video, I'm going to Flow on Gemini. VEO, VO3 Flow, and I had this window open already. Add start a project, new project, and I will go with what is it, frame to video. So I will not go with text to video, I will go with frame to video, and then I will upload my image. I agree, and I will go with the first one. Oh no, I got to change the size of the image. Where do I change the image size? Oh my gosh, I think the size of the image is okay. I'm going to Canva to fix this issue, and I'm going to choose a different size. Okay, I quickly add the image to Canva so I can make sure they fit the 1920 by 1080p. So Canva has option to extend the image. So if I go on edit, I can magic extender, I think it called magic expand. So I want the whole page and expand. There you go. I think I will choose that one. There you go, beautiful. So I got this one. I will do the same for the next one. The next one will be easier, so I'm just going to change the color on the background, so those ones will be easier to fix. Here's how I'm going to fix those ones. Click on the background and change the color to this, and then go do the same thing right here, change the color to this. There you go. So now I'm going to make sure they fit and then place them in the middle. There you go, and then there you go. And now I'm going to download all of them. Perfect. So now I got all these perfectly fit. Let's go back now to reset this, cancel. I will re-upload them, and the first one will be that one. There you go. And then I will crop it a little bit. No, I will not crop it. I will not crop. I'm just going to click on crop and save, and then I got the first one and then the second one. Let me upload it. Let me generate the first video first. Make her pick up the book and smiling as he looking at the audience while she holding the book, like she presenting the book to the audience and saying this word. So I'm going to make her speak those words. Where is the script? I gotta go back to 11 Lab to get the audio. So I want her to say this right here. I want her to say this whole phrase. So keep in mind the video will be only 8 seconds. I don't know if she will be able to say all this in 8 seconds. If she don't, I will just continue where I left and click generate. So my video is ready. Let me check if she talking.
Unlock your AI in looking for
Okay, let me see where she stopped. There you go. She already say all this. So next, I will copy the second phrase. Copy and go back and get another image. I will get that one. Make her say this. I would say make her say this. Make her look at the audience while she's reading. Make her look at the audience with happy face while she's reading and say this. So this is the second part I will generate. And then now let me add the last one. So this is the last scene. Oh my god. All my credit already finished. So there you go. I got the last one and I will just download all of them. So download, I need it to 1080. I need this one to 1080 and that one to 1080p. Okay, now I'm going to click on download and I got all my video ready. I'm going to open CapCut. We're going to edit on CapCut. Okay, so now I have all 3 videos and I think they are 24 seconds and my original audio is 20 seconds. So what I will be doing is, let me drag this right here and let me mute this.
Your future starts now. Get your copy, pal.
Okay, so this is the last clip, last one, and let me check if that's the first one.
Looking for financial freedom? Unlock your potential with AI Income Academy, the ultimate guide to making money with artificial intelligence. Learn proven strategies, master the tools, and start building your own success story today. AI Income Academy. Your future starts now. AI Income Academy.
Okay, let me check the audio. Let me mute that one.
Master the tools and start building your own success story today. AI Income Academy.
I think I'm going to delete that one. I'm going to use the one from Google and get the audio from those three. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to export the audio, MP3 audio only, no video. Oh my god, there used to be an option to export only video. So I'd have an app that will cut the silence and speed it up. So I will be using this app right here. So if there's anything that need to cut out, it will be cut them out. Wow, there is no audio. So I'm going to speed it up a little bit to 1.06. Let's do it 0.5. Export video. I'm going to export an audio version as well. Okay, now I got the audio. I will now polish the audio on Audacity. So I will add these tools, EQ and export. So I'll just pass the audio on Audacity to get the best version, and I will be silence the original one and add this brand new audio that I just worked on. I will play this one.
Looking for financial freedom? Unlock your potential with AI Income Academy, the ultimate guide to making money with artificial intelligence. Learn proven strategies, master the tools, and start building your own success story today. Your future starts now. Get your copy now, today.
So I'm going to add transition, all this stuff real quick. So and zoom, let me zoom it out to make sure it fit. There you go, 320. So 320 and 320. I think it's look perfect now. I'm going to add the caption, generate caption, and I need some clean, very clean caption.
AI Income Academy, the ultimate guide to making money with artificial intelligence. Looking for financial freedom? Unlock your potential with AI Income Academy, the ultimate guide to making money with artificial intelligence. Learn proven strategies, master the tools, and start building your own success story today. Your future starts now. Get your copy now, today.
Okay, now I will add some zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so I just add those zooming effect, and now I'm going to add a couple transition, like maybe one here, okay, and then there you go. That's a good one right here. I will add it right here, and then perfect.
Looking for financial freedom? Unlock your potential with AI Income Academy, the ultimate guide to making money with artificial intelligence. Learn proven strategies, master the tools, and start building your own success story today. Your future starts now. Get your copy now, today.
As you could see, guys, this is a very good ad that you can use for your books, and you can use this format for anything. So just just go right here. Let me show you real quick. Just come to Gemini. Where is Gemini? Just come to Gemini and then ask her to change the exact image that you want. So just replace your product, and this apply for any ad. So yeah, if you guys want more stuff like this, just make sure you subscribe to my school community, where I teach you guys everything AI related, how to scale your business or use it for your own financial gain, because one of the most interesting topic right now is AI, and if you do not learn AI, you will left behind. Until next time, I'm out.